you go.
So what we're going to do is we're going to use our knowledge of the relationship between circumference and diameter of a circle to figure out a relationship that's called pi. Okay? Pi is the exact, or pretty much exact, ratio of circumference to diameter of a circle. Now, we can use our calculators to figure out the circumference of a circle if we know the diameter. For example, in number 60, let's say that we know that the diameter of a circle is 11. Well, what I can do is I can multiply this by pi to figure out the circumference. The pi button is located right here on this calculator. Many calculators are different, but this will give you an exact value or close to exact value of pi. So for instance, this one gives us a value of 34.557 units, or 34.56 if we round it off. Now, for those of us that have four-function calculators, four-function means that the only thing that it really does is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We can use a decimal approximation. On a four-function calculator, you can go 3.14 to be equivalent or approximate to pi. If I multiply this by 11, I'll get the circumference of this circle, 34.54. That's the approximate circumference. Now, back in the days before PlayStation and Xbox, Archimedes figured out that there was a fractional equivalent to pi, or very close, and that was 22/7. If you take 22 and you divide it by 7, you get a number fairly close to pi. It's not exact, but it's fairly close. If I multiply this by 11 to find the circumference, I get 34.57, a little higher. To help us answer part D of number 60, all of these values, the decimal approximation, the fractional approximation, and the actual value of pi based on our calculators, will all get us within about 100th of calculating this circumference of the circle.